The first two safe are Mario Pipe and Greg Heffley with 0 votes. Well, look at that. A newbie's already going. Anyways, it was a tie. So I'm just gonna spin a wheel and Meme is eliminated. I'm also too lazy to think of an original elimination idea, so when someone gets eliminated, it's just gonna be the animatic bagel elimination. Can you get me out of here? Okay, now that was just uncalled for. Hey, can you recover googly eyes? Sure can do. Yay, I'm back! Your next challenge will be a race. Each team will choose one person to be the runner, and those 3 people will have to run, and the first person to get to the finish line will win for their team, and I'll just randomly choose another team to be up for elimination. Anyways, you may now start picking. Oh wait, I forgot to mention that Scargo's disqualified for being way too fast, and Evil Hosty can fly, so he's also disqualified. Okay, well, I personally think we should choose Mario Pipe. I guess I'm a good runner. I think we should choose Xbox. No, that's a horrible idea. We should choose me. Evil Hosty. Scribble literally said you're disqualified. We're choosing Xbox. I'm not really that good of a runner, Scargo's disqualified. Pot and Planty don't have any limbs, so I guess we're choosing googly eyes. Here are the runners. 3, 2, 1, go! Never mind. I'm not really good at running with these legs. Yo, wait, what the? Smell you later, Mario Pipe. I didn't want to do this, but if it's for winning for my team, I guess I'll do it. Googly Eyes has made it to the finish line, so he wins for his whole team. And I'm just going to choose Team 2 to be up for elimination. So viewers, choose someone from Team 2 to be eliminated in the next episode of the Minutely Object Show. Again, what am I saying?